Now the video is finished. I should work on my assignment. Oh wait. Oh wow. I'm big fan of Naruto. I should watch this. Let me watch this first. Then I will do my work. So guys, as you have seen in the preview, this is how a person engage more with your YouTube channel if you have provided a video that they might like at the end of your video. And this particular setting of YouTube is what we call end screen, which I'll show you in this video how can you add end screen in your YouTube videos so that if a person watching a video, they just skip their work just to watch your videos. But before going further into video, I just want to clarify that the video shown in the preview was not an promotional video, so just ignore it. Now to add end screen in a video, you first need to go to your YouTube studio and go any of the video that in which you want to add end screen. This means in every video you have to add end screen by manually. There is no automatic option. So after coming to the editing section of your video, go to the end screen section and you can choose the plus element, or I have already added the end screen here. I will delete it, delete, and you will get these options. You can choose any of these. There are many options that in this particular end screen you will get a video and a subscriber button, and in this you will get a playlist and a subscribe button. You will get in this you will get two videos and many more. Or you can import end screen from your latest videos, just like this. Now you'll get these three options to choose from, but for this particular video you'll get only these two options. First, best for viewers. That means this video will be chosen by YouTube, not you. But if you want a specific video to shown up there, you can choose just by clicking on the last option, and after that you will get the all videos that you have uploaded so far, from which you can select the video that you want to feature. And then if you click on this, you will get the all three options. First is selected as most recent upload, and second is best for viewer, and third is that I have explained earlier. So you can choose anyone from these three options. After that you can also change the time intervals, and after doing all this thing you just need to click on the save button and your setting will be saved. The other option is while you uploading a video, any video, like if I upload this particular video and go to the video element, you can see here there is an option to add an end screen. You can import from videos or you can add by just choosing any of the 6 options that we seen earlier. And after doing all this thing, you again have to click on the save button to save the end screen that you have selected. So this is how you can add end screen in your YouTube videos. And goodbye, but don't forget to subscribe us.